Hello and welcome to this ClassCalc tutorial. Today we're going to set up a dummy account so you can familiarise yourself with ClassCalc from both the student and teacher's perspective before using it in class. We'll create your teacher account on the web app, which you might have already done, and a dummy student account on your smartphone. On the teacher web app, click Sign Up. Select Teacher and either sign up with your email or sign up with Google. We recommend signing up with Google if your school uses Google emails. On a separate device, either your phone or tablet, download ClassCalc. This account will act as your student. The student dummy account is free to set up. Select the picture icon on the top left and click Sign Up. Select Student and click Sign Up. Type in a name and a fake email and click Next. Create a password and click Next. On the teacher web app, create a classroom by selecting the teacher panel and clicking Create a Classroom. Name your class. You will then have your 6-digit class code. On the dummy student account, click the photo icon and click Join a Class. Type in the 6-digit code from the teacher web app. The student will now appear in the class. To start a test mode, the teacher clicks Start Test. To join test mode on an Android device, please see the link below. On the student dummy account, you will receive a notification to join. Click Join and OK the lockdown. Once you're in test mode, you will see what your students will be seeing. You can exit test mode by clicking Exit Test on the top left-hand corner. The teacher will be immediately notified. For more tutorials, please feel free to visit classcalc.com/tutorials. Thank you for watching this ClassCalc tutorial.